What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on 2011 Honda Accord 2.4 liter engine. The customer complaint, chickens and light on. Okay, let me make the quick video, quick check on this hopefully. And first thing we need to do, read for the fault code and see what we have here. Yeah, as you can see, right now we have P2652 rock arm oil pressure switch B bang 1 stuck on. Okay, in this case, I can make a real quick video for you guys see that. So we go back from here, and on this engine we have two. Let me go back to reading the code. We have two rock arm oil pressure switch, that A and B. This is the B got the problem. So let we go out from here. We will read the data stream, see what's going on. We menu select and what a letter is. Oil or rock or R. I think it's R. Yes, this is the oil pressure switch. This one is just for the engine, the rock arm for the VTEC. Oh, right here. As you can see, rock arm oil control solenoid A return, rock arm oil control solenoid B return. We don't need it. And a rock arm oil control solenoid A. I choose that and I choose B. As you can see, rock arm oil pressure switch B. This guy got the problem with the check engine light on this switch. Okay, I choose A and B to compare to each other. Okay, as you can see right now, the engine off and the oil pressure switch closed. Closed means it's on until the engine run and the oil pressure pumping, and will pressure on this switch and this switch will be open. That's when when the engine off, the oil pressure switch will be on, and the rock arm oil control solenoid A always up when the engine up. Even the engine run in park and it's still up. But the reason I want to choose this and this, let you guys compare both solenoid A and B. Right now it's off. This solenoid when you drive it like 2000 something RPM, 2000 something like that, and then they will be on. And as you can see, rock arm oil pressure switch A is on right now. This one is good right now. Compared to the switch A and solenoid A, when this guy off, this guy on. When this guy on, this guy will be up. On, up, up, on. Okay, but the B, same thing the A, is up right now. But the solenoid, the rock arm oil pressure switch B is still say up. Compared to the A, you guys can see one is on, another one is off. That's what happened here. The switch is bad or circuit problem or the computer. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, I don't need to go back here. And you guys keep an eye on this data strip, and I will do the quick test for you guys see. Right now on the screen I have two switches. Oh man, communication lost. If you need to continue to press, let me go back to check for the cable. Damn, the key's still on. Really? Oh shit. Time is morning. It's right now, as you can see. So hopefully it not go back to from beginning. Oh shit. Okay, anyway, my friend, I will be out of the camera and go back where it was and show you guys again. Okay guys, we're back here again, and so now the scan to connected. Okay, read the code again. Yep, 2652. Okay, we're back. Something like I wanna go see letter R, rock arm. Yep, rock arm oil return. I don't need this rock arm. Yeah, even I don't need a rock arm oil control solenoid AB no more because earlier I choose them to let you guys know that when the solenoid is off, the switch will be on. When the solenoid is off, it's on, the switch will be on. Okay, and we just right now it should only do. Let me quick check here. Okay, the A, we got the switch A, we got no problem. Right now it's on. Okay guys, it's, as you can see, the rock arm oil pressure switch on the V-test solenoid is all the way down in the back there. As you can see, it's hard to see for you here. You can see right here, the one over here is the gray, the one here is blue, the one is in front of the engine, that the one is A. Okay, you guys keep an eye on the A. Right now it's on. Right, the A is on, but the B is on. Okay, what I would like to do, I test for a quick test to see we got the circuit problem or oil problem or switch itself. If the switch itself, not a big deal. It's just an easy fit, install a new switch. But if the wire short or something, will be problem. A little hard than if the computer doesn't accept the signal. Okay, keep an eye on the A. I will disconnect it on the A. You guys can see it up. Oh man, it's super hard inside room with it. I hate to disconnect the connector in a very tight place like this. Okay, keep an eye on the switch A, guys. Right now it's on. If I disconnect it, it will be off. See, right now it's out. I put the connector back, it's on. I hope you guys can see in the video the A on the top, the B on the bottom. Okay, it's off. It's on. Okay, it's off. It's on. Okay, guys, I don't test on the A no more. I can put the connector back. Yeah, and now I try to disconnect the B. Yeah, I already connect the connector. You guys can see it stay up. Okay, like you guys, I show you guys the connector. I disconnect here. Yeah, it will be up. So now it's time to check for the circuit and the computer. I will show you guys how to do it. You guys, you guys know that this is the switch, right? And two wires and this week always close like a A and on. When the pressure running, it will be off. Okay. Little wire like this guy. Yeah, use this battery. I don't want it the harness, the circuit is something on. Yeah, let me put the light here so it's very easy to see. Yeah, we have here. Okay, again, it's off, right? And the A is off, the B is off. Hopefully, after we put the jump wire here, yeah, look at this. Look at it. Good for me. Not best. One hand and my teeth to straighten it up. Put a bit in here. Okay, I have one side connected. Okay guys, I have the wire connected in there. As you can see, hopefully you guys see that. Let me zoom out. You guys can see. Oh man, the flare. Oh shit. Blue. Yep. You guys can see from here. I have the jump wires bypass this the connector here. Okay, go back to the scan tool. We may have the answer. Okay guys, now we have both switch on right now. Okay, now the B also on like the A. Okay, the B with the jump bypass the connector. Okay, we have the answer here. We have the good computer. We have the good circuit wire, and we have the bad switch. Okay, in this case, just call lets the owner know that need the new rock arm oil pressure switch. Okay guys, that's it. This is the video I quick tech here for you guys. If you guys see the problem like this, P20 I forgot P26 26 something maybe. Yeah, P2652 rock arm oil pressure switch B bang 1. No matter if it's switch A, we do the test the same and quick tech like this, and we have the answer. And go ahead and change the switch and we will fix the problem. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.